Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set time and date on your Samsung phone. First go to the settings and you have to scroll down until general management option. You have to click on that and here you can see the third option is date and time, and here you have two options, two settings. The first one is automatic date and time, which means that the time and date is provided by your network. If you do not choose that, here you have several options like to select time zone. So I'm in Eastern European Summer Time, but here you have to choose your country, and after that the right time zone will appear. And here is the set date option. You have to choose the right one, and the time. And the second option or setting is the use 24-hour format. Here you can see the format which I am using right now, but if you do not choose that, here you can see that it will appear like 1 p.m. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing. Have a beautiful day. Bye.